I am the director of programs for a nonprofit.
I'm a PhD student.
So I own Ironclad Logistics.
I'm an outreach specialist at Michigan State University.
I'm the operations manager of Johnny D's Car Wash.
I'm the club manager for Wash and Go Car Wash.
We've grown our list by over 50% just by saying, hey, we have this service.
Certainly help with customer satisfaction as well.
Time-saving component.
Scheduling is a great feature,
I think it's simple to use.
as well as setting up groups.
I can both manually send texts and schedule them.
It's so easy to use and so affordable.
Reminders to sign up, reminders that something is coming up.
Very easy to use.
Simple Text is definitely something to consider.
We can save lots of hours,
It has cut that communication time in half.
I love it.
lots and lots of hours.
It's going to improve your workflow significantly.
It's not going to take hours. It'll be really quick.
Less of the cost. I believe it works better.
Been using this 5 years. I haven't had tech issues at all.
Go ahead and try it.
Absolutely every single thing that I need for communication.